Hi, it's Maddie here with my elevator pitch for my final project. I do have a couple questions, so I'm hoping that I'll be able to get a little bit of feedback to help me along the way. So, as I mentioned in my introduction, I teach sixth grade ELA, and one of the things that I've really noticed with my students this year is that they are very stressed. They have a lot of stress, a lot of anxiety. So, as I am moving into a study of informational text, I thought it would be really helpful to create a unit which will allow my students to explore factors that cause stress and different ways that they can manage stress. So what I would like to do is create a hyperdoc on Wakelet with a variety of articles, videos, podcasts, and other sources that my students can select from to then write an essay about different factors that cause stress. So I'm just wondering if that sounds like something that would be okay for this project, since I know some of you all will be exploring it. Obviously, I won't expect you guys to write an essay, but I did want to create something hopefully that I can use in my classroom as well. So that's my idea for now, but I'm really looking forward to hearing some feedback and comments, and I plan to revise from there. Thank you for watching.